Alright, so we redid the rear brakes. We got new shoes, wheel cylinders in there on both sides. We haven't done anything to the front, but put the brake pressure switch in there, so we got brake lights. And now it's time to bleed the brakes. We also threw in a couple new lines. Reservoir's full. Let's bleed some brakes. Alright, so update. We were sitting here bleeding the brakes. There's still nothing. Barely getting anything in the back. That metal line back there, or I started seeing some fluid come up in here. I'm like, oh, that's not good. And that metal line back there, it broke. So, yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do.
We're gonna pull the seat, and we're gonna replace the metal line.
Oh, there it is. It's broke right up in here. Time to replace this fuel line. Yay! Or brake line, whatever. Alright, so we got brakes buttoned up, bleeded. Got the brake line in. Got the front bleeded. Gotta throw the seats back in. Nut back on the drums, spotter pin, wheels back on, a few small other things, and should hopefully be done. Alright, we got everything all buttoned up. We just took it around the block. It stops fantastic. So next we're gonna probably redo the transmission fluid and go through the motor next after that. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.